In this video, we will learn how to find if a number is even or odd in C. This is the result. First, our program will ask for the number to check. Then, it will tell us whether the number is even or odd. Great. Let's explore our code. These 15 lines are all the code we need, but before analyzing it, we will understand how the modulo operator works. In the C language we use the percentage symbol to accomplish this operation. The result of a modulo operation between the integers a and b is the remainder of the division between them. For example, the regular division between 7 and 3 is 2.33. In C, this calculation needs to be done with at least one of the values being a float value. For example, 7 and 3.0. However, the integer division between 7 and 3, which in C can be calculated when both values are integers, is 2. This division leaves a remainder of 1, as 3 times 2 is 6, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So, 7 modulo 3 is 1. In the C language, when dividing by 2, the possible remainders are 0, 1 or minus 1. A number is even if, and only if, the remainder of its division by 2 is 0. We can also say that a number is even if it's divisible by 2. If it's not, then the number is called odd. Now that we know how to use the modulo operator to check if a number is even, let's go back to the code. First we are reading the number we want to check as an integer. Then, we check if the entered number modulo 2 is equals to 0. If it is, we print the message saying it is even. If it's not, we say it is an odd number. That's it. You can find the full code in the fixed comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a suggestion for the next one.